Let's understand what is Google Colab. Yes. So my first question is, what is Google Colab? Yes. So if you have used Jupyter Notebook previously, you would quickly learn Google Colab. So I'll just now again I'll say that I will not use Jupyter. Let's start from the beginning because I'll be showing you how to use Google Colab from the start itself. At least I'll give you a basic idea. Most importantly, it does not require a setup. So you do not need to install anything separately for Google Colab, as what other softwares will require you to install on your system, because it's, other softwares are not cloud-based softwares. So this Google Colab is a cloud-based software which you can use through your internet. Yeah. And the notebook that you create can be simultaneously edited by your team. That's what I have told you earlier. So Colab supports many machine learning libraries which can be easily loaded in your notebook. So what Colab offers you? Yeah. What is Google Colab? We understood it's cloud-based software. Yes. It's a cloud-based software which can be used to run Python program. As simple as it. Now the question would be, just let me indent it a bit. Yes, that looks good. Now, what Colabs offers for you? Now, when I say what is Google Colab, it's cloud-based software, which we have understood. It has predefined libraries and all. Yes. But we also need to understand, just let me indent it properly. Give me 1 minute. Cloud-based software, which can be used to run Python program. Yes, great. So what Colab offers you? Why should we use Colab? Yes, you can use Colab to write and execute Python code, which we spoke about earlier. Yes. So Colab can be used to write and execute a Python code. You can document your code that suppose mathematical equations. So I can document my code through mathematical equations, which we can see at a later stage. Yeah. We'll write some more pointers. What else? What does it offer? It probably uses, or it helps you to create, upload, and share notebooks. It becomes very easy because you're not saving them on your system. You're saving them on your cloud. So it is used to create, upload, and share notebooks. Yeah. Or import or save notebooks from or to Google Drive. That's what we spoke about. We'll see all this. We'll just understand why we should go for Google Colab, why it is very easy for us to uh, work with Colab, and why it is helpful to work with other libraries as well in this particular software. Yeah, you can, yeah, that's one of the biggest feature. Like you can import or publish your work from GitHub. So you can integrate your GitHub system or your GitHub directories here, wherein you can publish it. You can import external databases. Example could be from Kaggle. Yes. What else? Uh, integrate your machine learning and AI libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, etc. Yes. And the most important thing, it's free cloud service with free GPU. That's very important, guys. This is very, very important while you're doing some heavy work on your data sets, your machine learning models. This will help you a lot. Yes. So this was just a semi introduction to what Google does as such, Google Colab does as such. Which will help you to understand how to use Google Colab. So let's start